WordPress got some amazing features over the last few updates, and many site owners have no idea about these. WordPress today is faster, smarter, and more visual than ever, and for the first time, it's got native AI support built right into the core. This isn't the WordPress you remember from a few years ago. In this video, we're walking through 7 modern WordPress features that are changing how people build sites right now. And stick around for number 7, in our opinion, is the single biggest addition WordPress has ever made. Before we dive in, a quick thanks to today's sponsor, WordPress.com. Everything we're about to cover sounds great, but it can be a lot to set up and maintain. That's the gap WordPress.com fills with its managed WordPress hosting. You get the latest version of WordPress, all the features in this video on a server that's already tuned for it. Updates, daily backups, security, and performance, all handled for you and bundled into your plan at no extra cost. There's a link in the description if you want to try WordPress.com. Alright, let's get back to the video. The first feature that we're going to talk about is responsive editing mode. One of the most useful modern additions to WordPress is the responsive editing mode. This feature allows you to customize how certain blocks appear on desktop, tablet, and mobile devices. Now, technically, your website was already responsive before, but now WordPress gives you much better visual control over how your content behaves on different screen sizes. For example, you can hide certain sections on mobile, rearrange layouts more effectively, create cleaner responsive experiences, or improve mobile readability. And honestly, this is a huge deal because mobile traffic dominates the internet today. What's interesting is that WordPress is slowly moving towards the kind of responsive workflow we usually see in builders like Elementor, Webflow, or Framer. Another really exciting direction for WordPress is collaboration. Recent updates introduced notes and collaborative workflow improvements that make teamwork much easier inside the editor. This allows teams to leave feedback, add editorial notes, review content more efficiently, and improve communication during website development. And this becomes especially useful for agencies, teams, content creators, and client projects. But there's something even bigger coming in the future. WordPress is actively developing real-time collaborative blog editing, basically Google Docs style collaboration directly inside the WordPress editor. Now, this feature was originally expected earlier, but it's still under development right now. And honestly, if WordPress successfully implements this properly, it could completely change how teams build websites together. Next up, admin overhaul, command palette, and new color palette. One of the biggest goals of modern WordPress is making the platform feel more modern and more productive. And recent updates introduce several improvements that move WordPress in that direction. The first one is the command palette. You can open it using a keyboard shortcut and instantly navigate pages, search settings, open templates, and basically jump between sections much faster. This may sound small, but once you start using it, it actually speeds up your workflow a lot. And if you've used apps like Notion, VS Code, or Linear, this experience will feel very familiar. WordPress also announced a cleaner and more modern default color palette. The interface now feels more consistent, more polished, and less outdated. Overall, the entire admin experience is slowly becoming smoother, cleaner, and more app-like. Next up, new data views admin interface. WordPress is also gradually introducing a more modern data view system for managing content and data inside the dashboard. Instead of the old-style list tables everywhere, WordPress is introducing a much more modern system for filtering, organizing, managing content, and navigating data. While the changes are still evolving, it shows the direction WordPress is heading toward, a cleaner and more app-like admin experience. Next up, block-level custom CSS. WordPress has supported custom CSS for years through the additional CSS panel. But modern WordPress is changing how CSS work inside the editor. Instead of dumping everything into one giant global CSS area, WordPress is moving towards more localized and block-based styling workflows. This means more visual customization, easier block-specific styling, better design control, and finally, less dependency on global CSS. And honestly, this makes Gutenberg feel much closer to modern visual builders. Now, developers will still use CSS for advanced customization, but regular users can now achieve much more visually without touching complicated codes. Now, we also have to talk about the high-performance APIs. Performance has become a massive focus for WordPress recently, and one of the biggest reasons behind the smoother experience is the introduction of new high-performance APIs and backend improvements. Now, most users may not directly see these APIs, but they improve things like editor responsiveness, data handling, block rendering, scalability, and overall speed. And the result? Modern WordPress simply feels faster and smoother compared to older versions. And this is extremely important because WordPress is competing in a world where users expect fast and app-like experiences. Now for the final and most talked about feature. You probably have guessed it. Yes, it's native AI integration. Finally, we have what could become one of the biggest changes in WordPress history: native AI integration. Recent WordPress development has introduced standardized AI infrastructure directly into WordPress itself. Instead of every plugin building AI separately, WordPress is beginning to create a centralized AI system for AI tools, AI assistants, content generation, smart workflows, and future integrations. And this is just the beginning, because over the next few years, AI will likely become deeply integrated into how websites are built, managed, optimized, and customized. And WordPress clearly wants to be a part of that future. One thing to be clear, WordPress ships the AI foundation, not a write my post button. Nothing talks to any AI service until you connect a provider and switch it on yourself. So those were 7 modern WordPress features that are genuinely changing how people build sites today. Some you can use right now, others show where WordPress is heading. But the takeaway is the same. WordPress today is faster and more visual and now genuinely intelligent. So tell me, which one are you turning on first? Let us know in the comments. And if you want to run all of this on hosting that's already set up for it, the WordPress.com link is in the description. If this helped, subscribe so you don't miss what's coming next. Thank you for watching. See you next time.